Hey guys! Wait, honestly that doesn't sound right for this video. Alright, so intro of beer.
Oh, beer.
Beer. Wait, what is this about again?
I have no idea. Hold on. Ooh, bucks.
Oh yeah, box.
Wait, hold on. Wrong side.
Yes, there you go. A challenge, difficulty mode.
For the reading impaired. Just kidding.
So, I guess we're supposed to open the box for the video?
I don't know, are we?
I
I'm too busy drinking. Hold on.
It looks like the tape was already partially peeled.
Damn you, Newegg delivery.
Sponsored by
Composure.
Yes, composure. Okay, so to unbox this.
Oh, god damn it. And then we have the white man entering the frame.
Oh god, you doing one of those silly techie YouTube videos?
Ignore him. Don't pay attention to him.
Sexy tall gay boy.
Shut up. Let's keep going.
Anyway, here's a
Ah! Oh god. We have created a monster.
So
I gotta do that in every video.
I can cut all of this out in post. Okay.
Can we just have the dog here?
So in this unboxing tutorial, first you take the box.
Get the tape open thanks to Newegg
Yes.
delivery.
And then you look for the tab on the box, and then you unclip the tab.
You mean pushed out?
I like unclipping.
Anyway.
Okay.
Oh, look, beer.
Yes. Beer always helps. Yeah. Yeah.
You're doing it. I'm waiting for the camera. Turn it around.
Alright?
No,
Face
yes.
towards the camera. I don't...
Like this.
Oh yeah, because you're trying to... But, surprise.
Oh, God. Ignore the white man. Anyway,
Yes, ignore the
so
Not this white man, that white man.
the video card came into this nice, nifty little package with safety things around it so it doesn't move or get damaged during shipping.
Yes.
In a nifty little anti-static bag, like always.
Yes. And it's all cardboard, so it's all recyclable. Environmentalisms.
In the box, while you take this out, we
Yes.
have our little nifty little
Make sure there's nothing
Manual.
in this little box thing.
with a CD with install and drivers. You know, the usual stuff. Pretty nifty little packaging from ASUS.
I don't really want to take this out of the static box yet.
Give it to me!
No,
Give it-
stop it. I'm like a static box. Like, I destroy
So-
things because I create so much charge.
He has a magnetic personality. And voila, this is the back panel where the PCB board is with the chip soldered onto it. Duh. And the fence is a dual fan system. Nice little aluminum heatsink spreader. I will say, this is a nifty little looking ASUS card. Oh wait, don't forget, there's a little plastic guard on the PCIe connectors.
Also, the nice thing about this card I just noticed is, go ahead, put this little condom thing back on.
Safety first, kids.
It's,
I'm
The-
gonna fight now.
the
camera
nice
at
thing
50
about
pounds.
the nice thing about this card I just noticed though is
Ignore my fat. Ignore
it can be completely charged or completely powered
charge.
off.
The fuck? It doesn't have a built-in battery. What are you talking about?
I know I just switched you, but okay. So the thing that I find interesting is that it can be completely powered off of just the motherboard itself.
Oh, you're right. Oh my god.
Unlike the
The
current,
beer is interfering with my knowledge here. I
Yes.
didn't see the PCIe connectors, which is, you're absolutely right. It's actually a passively powered thing. All the power that it gets is directly for the PCIe connectors that you put into the motherboard. No PCIe connectors required, as you can see right here clearly. Nothing else onto it. And the neat thing about it is, expansion ports is actually really good connectivity-wise. That is, you have your little display port right here, HDMI, and our nifty little DVI connector right there.
Yeah, although I don't wanna lose the
Yes,
condom.
yes, put the condom back.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna put this back in its bag, and hopefully I'll have this installed by tonight in my current system.
Where are the stickers?
The what?
Stickers.
Stickers?
Yeah, they usually give you stickers. Don't they? No, that's a processor. Never mind.
Yeah, it's just What's the processor?
Anyway, his current system is my old system. I have a long story to tell you guys. The system that I had literally blew up and caught on fire. Damn you, ASRock and your customer service.
Don't give too many spoilers. You
Pin out over there. You can see it sitting there still.
Put that in a separate video.
Enough of this spoiler alert. The system that he has is actually an MSI titanium motherboard, an X70, and then a Ryzen 7 1800X with 32 gigs of DDR4 from Crucial Ballistics. And his solid state drive is from Samsung. It's not the current 960 or the 960 Pro. It's the generation prior to those. I can't really remember now, but eventually we get to it.
It's pretty powerful.
He's using, believe it or not, to this day, is still alive, or better said, hours at this point, I guess. R9 290X.
Yes.
It's very power hungry.
But that's why I needed this, because this definitely does have better performance.
Still feel chubby.
Stop it. I can do chubby better than you.
You have the double chin.
Oh yeah, I do have the double chin.
Anyway,
it helps that I was a fat baby. Okay.
Bitch! I'm sorry. No profanity. Beep! Wait, let's recap. Beep!
Well, no, I mean, like, he can bleep it in the bleh, edit. As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted.
Here.
The nice thing about this
Just want to woke up frame, hold on.
The nice thing about this is or compared to the R9 graphics, it's specifically that it's much more power efficient, which is what I've been wanting. You know, something that I don't necessarily have to worry about the power consumption.
For little things. He likes tiny cars and video cards.
I like tiny cars.
And on that note, we're finishing our video with a random painting, and I did eventually at some point when I may not be drunk.
Yes, yes. Outro of painting.